Hey guys, welcome to Awesome Enterprise video tutorials. In this video, I will demonstrate the arrays in Awesome Enterprise. Array is a core concept of Awesome Enterprise. We have different types of array declaration. This is simple array, this is associative array, this is multidimensional array, this is again associative array with some special case that we have capital letters as a key. So let's get started to create a simple array in Awesome. So let's template dot set underscore array will help us to create an array. So I will use the variable type 1 and assign new. This will create a new element, that is first underscore name. So likewise we will create the second element, last name. So we will create one more element, that is email id. So it will create three element 1 2 3 by using the new word. So let's check the output. Template dot dump type 1 dot dump. So let's check the output. So this is what it is created, 1 2 3 element. This is the simple array. Now let's check the associative array. So we have associative array. So I will create variable type 2. So we'll create first key, that is first name, value will Amit. The second one, last name, the value will Singh, and the last one, email id, the value will be sample@sample.com. So we have declared type 2 array. Now let's go back and check the output of the associative array. First name as Amit, last name as Amit Singh, and email id is this. Now let's check the multidimensional array. So let's create the type 3 variable. Now let's check, we will create the new element. So and we will change the email id to match this one. Now let's create, so it will create this array by using a new keyword. We have created one element. Now we will use the same one and we will change to Ravi. The so last name will be Singh and this would be Singh. This will be Ravi. So we need this output, last name and email id. So let's go back and check. We forgot to dump the result. Go back, template dot type 3 dot dump. Now go back and check. This is created first name, last name and email id. So we have two elements, 0 and 1. We have element 0 and 1, Amit Singh and Ravi Singh. Now let's come back to our special associative array. Now we can create special associative array. Template dot set type 4 set underscore array type 4. So we have block level array declaration to achieve this output, so we will create the first name, we'll close it, we will use this one, now assign value to Amit, now assign value sing, let's save it, let's dump it, type 4. So let's check the first name and last name, the capital letters are remain capital. Let's go back and verify. Let's say I have changed this, so if I change this one, first name, so let's check the dump of this variable, so it is remain the small letters because it converts all the capital letters in the small letter. So to differentiate, for better understanding, I have changed the variable name, so let's go back and check so that you can better understand. We have changed variable name, it remains in the small letters, so this is why we have this type of block level array element declaration. Now let's create one more variable called email underscore id. So instead of creating a block level element, we will create and assign value in a single line, email id sample at sample.com. so let's go back and check one more time. So now we have a element called email id and the value of sample is @sample.com. Now let's create one more array, that is, let's say address contact, we can contact to Amit by using number, so number can be mobile underscore number, so 123 is mobile number, or we can have Amit have landline number, so landline number is 456. So let's go back and check, so we can contact to Amit on address ADDR. So we have address line 1, this is ADDR 1 and ADDR line 2, so ADDR 2. So let's close the address as well, so we can contact to Amit using number, that can be mobile number or landline number, or using address. So let's go back and check, it created one more element contact, so in that we have number and we have address, and in that we have created a new element, that is mobile number and landline number. So this new word is used to create a new element. Now let's create one more type of array. We can create an array by using arr dot create. This is again the block level element, so we will set the output in the template dot type 5. So we will copy this one, so it will create as a type 5 with element contact number. So let's dump the output, that is type 5. So it will create a number element in type 5. Let's go back and check the type 5. So this is our type 5 number, inside that new element and mobile number and landline number. So by using the variations we can declare the array in Awesome. Thank you.